Hey everyone, this is Chris Dunkel. In this video, I want to show you a couple of new things that they've added to it. In a previous video, I showed you that they've added a new template feature where things are kind of populated for you. But there's a couple things here that I want to show you because you may not see them in my other tutorials because the tabs weren't there, the functionality wasn't there. One thing that you'll notice is over here on the left, I'm in a video edit, a blank edit, that they have the Essentials library. And I discussed this in another tutorial for a moment or two. But basically, this is just a collection of about 60 something thousand video clips, audio clips, and images that are built within WeVideo. So it's really awesome. You can type in things like space, and here's video clips with space. And if you scroll and scroll and scroll, there's just tons and tons and tons of things that you can use. You have a pull down menu here where you can specify just want images only, so you don't have to go through the video footage or even audio. So it's good to know that they've created all these audio clips in here as well. You can even do things like sad, and so here's some music that's sad, or at least has sad as a keyword. So if students are looking for a particular mood or something for music, that's in there. As opposed to coming over here to the audio tab with the free music and sound effects and premium music. And so these are also able to be used, but it's just good to know they have this new feature as well. So I want you to be aware of that because, again, you may not see that tab in most of my tutorials since they were done before that feature. Another thing that they've added, which is really cool, it's under the text tab. And they've had like motion text for quite a while for your title slides and things like that. But they've come out with some in-season ones, which are just really awesome. They're kind of categorized for a particular holiday or things like that. And they're animated and just a lot of fun that you can see here, like Valentine's and things like that. And so you simply just, whatever it is that you may want to use, like all the others, you just drag it down and double click on it. And then you can come in here and change the text that you need and that type of thing. So those are the two main ones that I want to just kind of point out since you may not see them in the other tutorials. So just know that they're there. Thank you very much. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know.